I've got a couple more days of freedom left in Dubai before I start work on Monday. Heading to get my UAE license now, and then gonna go check out the new movie Air, which I am super excited for. I'm thinking to do a review of the film. So the annoying thing is I had actually been working to create a video of the backstory of how Michael Jordan signed with Nike. But you know, now I thought I could, you know, twist it up, do a review of the movie, see if they've missed anything out, and hopefully that video is going to be a banger. Also, the last couple of days I've actually started working out a bit more. Just feels great. My energy levels feel a bit more balanced. You know, just going to the gym, you feel a lot better. Maybe to show you guys how badly I need to really go gym. Look how big this top looks on me. Like, I mean, this is an oversized tee, but it just feels a bit bigger than I did before.
Kiko Beatz.
Okay, so a little quick review. I love the Air movie. There are quite a few things the storyline missed, which is just great to have known, so I can actually, you know, make a nice video where I can like lay all these things out, which I think many people probably do not know. The film was really good, and I'm going to watch it again tonight. Just trying to finalize my notes and my script of, you know, what I'm gonna say, so I can just make sure all my research and all my evaluation points are correct. Just came for a second viewing of Air. When I was driving here, I noticed there was another sneaker shop on my way here. Man, there are so many sneaker shops in Dubai. But I thought, you know, I haven't checked out this one. Let's go see what it's saying. Team a little some treats. So yesterday was technically my first day, but it's my first day in the office today. And yesterday was fairly a chill day, you know, a couple meetings, just catching up on the deals, and you know, the day ended quite smoothly. But this morning I woke up to a fire drill. I had like 4 different things I had to get done all this morning, so I didn't even like, you know, spend any time in the morning like, you know, get myself ready. Yeah, like I've had no time to actually think and kind of like get into the zone. I just got thrown into the zone. But yeah, super excited to see the new office. I had to get out the taxi and walk it because there was so much traffic. Oh my god, I was there. Second day at work, and if you're thinking why am I wearing a jumper in Dubai, is because the office is absolutely freezing. The AC was turned on to -7,000, and literally like one of my colleagues had to even go get a little heater, so come prepared today. Yeah, yesterday was great. You know, getting to meet the team in person is like different to me than virtually. You know, you get to like see people's personalities, like form stronger relationships, and yeah, man, really thrown into it. Like tons of work already. Been put on a couple of projects, so it's good to, you know, hit the ground running. And yeah, let me show you what I got on foot today. Moccas today with off-white laces. You know, work is definitely gonna pick up. Like I can kind of see like my workflow coming, and I do hope I'll still be able to make time for editing and, you know, doing my YouTube stuff. But you know, it's also good to throw myself in this new chapter of my career and, you know, really take it by all the horns. Like, let me think of any more cliche expressions to tell you guys, but yeah, you get the gist. It's Sunday and just finished editing my Air movie review. feels amazing to have got that done, and I think personally it's the best video I've made so far in terms of editing, in terms of like, you know, really engaging the audience. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think. All my free time in the last 2 weeks has just been going to getting this video out. And because, you know, I wanted to get this out as soon as possible, because, you know, like, I wanted to be the first YouTuber to make a video on all the mistakes in the film. And to this day, I still haven't seen any video on YouTube, you know, on that topic. So I just need to create the thumbnail, rewatch the video a couple more times, and then hopefully it's good to go. I want to kind of just spend the next couple weeks like really throwing myself into my work. I was a trainee, now I'm an associate, so, you know, I do want to take on that greater responsibility. I've progressed in my YouTube. I also want to be progressing on my career. Like, I want to be progressing in, like, you know, my gym. You know, I just want to, you know, come to a new country, starting a new chapter, and, you know, I just want to make sure I'm on top of everything. So yeah, that's the goals. So yeah, good thing is I've actually got a few videos lined up to post. So I've got like the vlogs, got some like sneaker battles. So I've got a bunch of content ready to post. So the next couple months or so is not going to be too much pressure on like creating fresh content. It's just going to be just editing. And, you know, the vlogs are easy to edit, but it's the more like informative, like sneaker show stuff that takes a bit more time. So about to go for a quick sauna. This morning before I went to work, I went to the gym, had a back session. What I've started to do now is go gym in the mornings before work, because my first couple of days in work, like, you know, I like what I do, but at the same time, I want to get to the other things I like to do outside of work as well. So, you know, one of them is gym. Yeah, and every day pretty much I was working late, and all I could think about was, man, I just want to get home and go gym. And, you know, there was a few times I did get home like at a reasonable time, at like around 9-10, and, you know, just like the motivation to actually go and, you know, bang gym for an hour and a half is, one, the motivation is low, but second, the energy levels are low. You know, like your blood sugar is low, so you're not really gonna have a good session. You're probably like, you know, not gonna go as ham. So what I've started to do is go gym in the mornings. Today was a good day because I had my first signing, so, you know, signed my first deal today at work with the new team. And yeah, I left the office around 6, thinking it's gonna be a quiet evening, because like just the last week or so, it's just been so bad. Like, we had like 3 days bank holiday for Eid. I was working on every single one of those days. But today, went home at a decent time, and then around like an hour later, I got given more work. Started a bit of it, but, you know, gonna pick it up later at night and get it done tomorrow morning. But since, you know, it's not as hectic as other days, I actually have a bit more time. So yeah, just about to hit up the sauna here. Quite lucky because this building has a sauna. So yeah, sometimes I just come here, have a quick little session. Also, I bought a pair of UA reverse mocha lows. I'm gonna be creating a video on that, comparing it to the legit pair. And yeah, they've come. So when I get downstairs, I'm gonna show you guys what that pair looks like, and we'll do a little unboxing together. So I always buy UA pairs in a size 7.5. One, it's good because it's, you know, it's close to size 8, so the comparison, because I'm a size 8, the comparison should be close enough. Also, my dad is a 7.5, and he doesn't mind, you know, wearing UA pairs, fake pairs, whatever. So I kind of just like asked him if he would want a pair of these, and he said yes. So I thought, you know, great opportunity to make a video and also get him something. You know what, they are fakes, yeah, but they are quite expensive. Like, this was about 110, 115 pounds. Obviously this shoe resells for like over £1,000, but the retail pair on the legit pair was, you know, what was it, like 145? So these are only £20 cheaper than the legit pairs, you know, at retail price. So straight away, box is effed up. Feels a bit flimsy, but the shoes themselves, again, you would never see this on a legit pair, putting little bags like this. Yep, straight away smells like ass. Yeah, man, this, with UA pairs, they always have like this toxic chemical gluey smell. You know, with legit pairs, they're made in the factories, they sit in the warehouses for months, and then they get shipped, and then they hit retailers, and then, you know, me and you go buy pairs. But with these, like, these get made in factories and then get shipped straight away to the purchasers. So, you know, when I contacted the guy, he said, do you want like super quality or do you want regular quality? So I told him, you know, I want obviously the best quality one. And And I asked him when is it going to ship. He said, oh, I need to first like tell the factory to like make it. So, you know, it's fresh out of the factory, so naturally it's going to smell a bit like, you know, like the raw materials that we used. Like it looks fine. Like there's nothing like immediately screaming about this that is bad. And obviously we are going to have a full in-depth review, but let me grab my pair. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Like obviously my pair is laced. I don't think, like, you know, for like if you're not really a sneaker collector like that, like you don't really like, you haven't been collecting for too long, you don't mind getting like fake pairs, like this is definitely a good alternative, because, you know, on a first glance the shoes look pretty much identical. I'm gonna leave it there, and if you want to learn more about the actual differences between these two shoes, make sure you watch the video, because I'm telling you there's gonna be some massive differences. So yeah, check out that video when it's out and you will see the exact differences between a legit pair and a UA pair.